Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will make a dish called Borzaska, which is made in Hungary, but it did spread to the neighboring countries too. Today, we will share with you our take on this recipe using chicken breast. First, we start by cutting the chicken breast. We cut roughly 1 centimeter thick slices. We season with salt and ground pepper. We put the meat aside and we peel and cut some potatoes. We cut them in very thin strips. In the original recipe, they grate the potatoes, but we like it this way. We season the potatoes with salt and ground pepper. For extra seasoning, you can add smoked paprika or garlic powder. It is up to you. We mix them and we put them aside. We beat a whole egg and we add some plain flour. If you want the exact amount, let us know in the comments below. The liquid for our batter will be some beer. If you want to skip the beer, you can add milk, but beer gives a better flavor in our opinion. We add the sliced potatoes to our batter and we mix them in. For added flavor, we clean and dice a clove of garlic, and we season with salt and ground pepper. A last mix and our batter is done. This is the consistency we are looking for. We coat the meat with the batter generously and we add it in our cast iron pan. We use vegetable oil to fry it. As a side dish, we make French fries. We fry them until golden brown. If the heat is too high, the meat won't be cooked inside. Our delicious meal is ready. We top our meat with some sour cream and grated cheese. It is an amazing recipe which is done in minutes. It is crunchy on the outside and juicy in the middle. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. Stay safe and see you on the next one.